Good evening, my name is Satyendra and welcome to Urban School. Please visit us at www.urbanschool.in. In this video, I am going to show you how to deal with the nonlinear equations in MATLAB. For example, let's suppose we need to solve the following two equations: 2x1 minus x2 is equals to e raised to the power minus x1. This is the first equation, and the second equation is minus x1 plus 2x2 is equals to um, e raised to the power minus x2. So it's a nonlinear equation, and it's very easy to solve in MATLAB. So let's see how we can solve it. Now there is a direct function in MATLAB called fsolve, which can give the value of these kinds of nonlinear equations without any solving, without showing you the internal steps with the given tolerance value and the other options. So I will explain each option one by one. In the very first step, you need to rewrite your equations and make each equation equals to 0. This will be the standard form when we solve the nonlinear equation with the help of fsolve in MATLAB. So in this case, the equations will become like 2x1 minus x2 minus e raised to the power minus x1 is equals to 0, and the second equation will be minus x1 plus 2x2 minus e raised to the power minus x2 equals to 0. Now uh, we also need to define a particular range of the solutions in which we need to find our solutions for these values x1 and x2. So in this case, let's start. We have a search range, let's say minus 5 to 5, minus 5 and minus 5 for each. Now to start with MATLAB, open a new page. Here it is, the new page. Type your function f is equals to my function, let's say my fun, it's a variable x. Now we need to write the equations of what we solve here, what we want to solve here. So here these two equations, twice of x1 minus x2 minus exponential of minus x1, and the similar equation with the separated by a comma semicolon, then minus x1 plus twice of x2 minus exponential of minus x2 is equals to 0. So these two equations are here and I need to solve them. So I'll store them with the function with the name my, just say my fun dot m. I guess I have already a file. Yes, I want to replace it. Okay, that's it. Now come back to the command window, clear the screen. Now first of all, define your function, the range, that is minus 5 for both. Then repeat a function fsolve and mention here at my function, which was stored as a myfun dot m, and start with the value of the x0. So it should give the answer, and here is the answer: minus 0.5671 and minus 0.5671 and 0.5671 for both. So in this way you can solve the nonlinear equations in MATLAB. There are few more options, like if you use this particular line x comma f value, the value of the function at the particular value of the x, it will give you the value of the function also. So let's try with this. Sorry, I'll explain this, what is this options, later on. So here is the value of the x, and here is the value of the function. uh, just a second to go down. Here it is. So you can see the value of the x is here, and the value of the function at that particular value of the x is given here for both the x1 and the x2. So in this way you can solve the equations, the nonlinear equations in MATLAB with the help of the function fevaluate. So that's it for this video. I will explain the Other related things of this particular function f